Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 1. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sonia Ramadhani. I am live in Cikajang, Garut. I am college in Institut Pendidikan Indonesia, major of Information System. I am level 3 and now I in class 3B.
I would like to introduce myself. My name is Gilan Bahaki. I am Indonesian. I live in Garut. My address is Ciledug Street. I'm college in IPI Garut, major of Information System, level 3, and now I am class B.
My name is Andi Ahmad Nurdiansa. I live in Namura Regency, Karangpawitan. I'm college in IPI Garut, major of Information System, level 3, and now I'm class 3B. My hobby is playing game.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Putra Rizki. I live in Babakan Wetan. I'm a third level information system student at IP Garut. And, and now I'm in third grade B. My hobbies are sports like playing football and volleyball.
Hello, my name is Nadia Juba Pujia. I live on Bayongbong, Garut. I'm college in Institut Pendidikan Indonesia Garut, majoring in Information System, level 3 in class B. In our daily life, there are lots of information systems that can be used and useful for our lives. For example, first, e-banking. E-banking is part of the information system for financial activities. Then, second, Gojek. Gojek is a function for order vehicles online.
Facebook is the largest social media in the world, a place to exchange information and have entertainment on a large scale that people flock to Facebook and spend their time. Founded in February 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg. YouTube is an extremely popular development that has changed how people view and interact with one another in the world. It has given the opportunity for people to post their professional and homemade videos for the entire world to view, and has huge impact on the media, the music industry, and entertainment.
Here I will explain the online ticket booking system. Search for flight, select and book flight. You can see on the search results page. Fill in contact and passenger data. After selecting your flight, you can add travel in, make payment. Various payment methods are available. Choose the one that suits your need. And etiquette send. After successful payment is received, etiquette to your email address in maximum of 16 minutes.
Benefit of calling for mental health if in the first calling or video calling was an option to communicate during a pandemic, the urgency has increased because people are very likely to feel lonely and need a way to connect, even without direct interaction. Some of the benefits of calling or making video calls during a pandemic are number one, stay connected with others. A person needs a connection without having to meet face to face in the midst of a pandemic, namely via video call or telephone. It can be with friends, family members, or even other people who can be a place to tell stories. The process of maintaining this interaction will have a positive impact on feelings. 2. Make peace with emotion. There are various emotions that arise when undergoing social distancing. In fact, this emotion has never been felt before. Everyone has their own difficulties. Well, interacting by phone or video call can help understand this emotion. Easier to communicate. Planning interaction by telephone or virtual meetings is centrally much easier much easier than meeting in person. That is, the possibility to make it happen was even greater. You can also be able to communicate more often over the phone because it is easy to do. And number four, get more personal community exchange, exchanging exchanging text message is not the same as making a phone call. Listening to the other person's voice can create important emotional connection. But ethically and contextually, this also applies to an interaction via social media. Nothing is worth a phone or video call. And number five, prevent mental disorders disorders in line with the result of the research above. The emotional connection that arise when you are on a call can prevent someone from exercising mental disorders, starting from one-lines excessive anxiety to depression, especially if the call is made a trust person who can listen empathy. So it's time to change the pattern of communication during this pandemic. The mindset is no longer when the pandemic ends today and ends, so they can meet in person or reunite. No one knows when the global pandemic will end. In fact, it's possible to the new normal will last forever.
9. E-learning. E-learning is information system for study in world education. And 10. Commerce is information system for business. For example, like Lazada, Shopee, Tokopedia. Maybe that's the introduction from the first group. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.